Now let us discuss about what is B tree and properties of the B tree. First let's see the definition of the B tree. B tree is a height balanced M-way search tree. So here the tree height is balanced. Balanced means the height is as small as possible. The height of B tree is order of log n. Here the time complexity of the B tree is order of log n for all the operations such as insert operation, delete operation, search operation. B tree is a M-way search tree. Here M represents order. Here order may be 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 etc. So M-way means 2-way, 3-way, 4-way, 5-way etc. It is a search tree. B tree is a search tree just like binary search tree, AVL tree, in which each node contains more than one value, that is more than one key and more than two children. If we take search trees like binary search tree, AVL tree, red block tree, then each node will contain only one key and at most two children. So at most means maximum two children. So here every node can have two children or one children or zero children. But if we take B tree, then each node can contain more than one key. Here we have two keys. More than one value in a node, that is nothing but more than one key in a node, and more than two children. Here we have three children. The left children contains the values which are less than 10. The middle children contains the values which are in between 10 and 20. The right children contains the values which are greater than 20. Now let us see about B tree of order M has the following properties. So let us discuss the properties. The first property is all leaf nodes must be at the same level. So if we take B tree, then all leaf nodes must be at the same level. But if we take binary search tree, then let us see this diagram. So this is level 0. This is level 1. So this leaf node is at level 1. This leaf node is at level 2. This leaf node is at level 3. But if we take B tree, then all leaf nodes must be at the same level. So next point, the keys in each node are stored in ascending order. So let we have keys like this: 2, 1, 3. But while storing those keys in the node, we have to arrange in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the node. So now node contains these three keys. Arrange all the keys in ascending order. Next, third property, the maximum keys of any node are m-1. So let us take the order. Order is denoted by m. Here we have order. Order means m. Let here the B tree order is 5. Then in each node we can store 4 keys. 4 keys. So let the keys are 10, 20, 30, 40. So that is the point. The maximum keys of any node are m-1. So here what is the order? 5 is the order. So the maximum keys that we can store in a node are 5 minus 1, that is 4. Next, the maximum children of any node are m. So here we can have 5 children. So this is one children. So this children contains this is left child. It contains the values which are less than 10. So let it be C1, let it be C2. C2 contains the values which are in between 10 and 20. 10 and 20 means greater than 10 and less than 20. So let it be C3. So C3 contains the values which are in between 20 and 30. So greater than 20, less than 30. So C4 contains the keys which are in between 30 and 40. Next C5 contains the keys which are greater than 40. So totally we have 5 children. So here the tree order is 5. So that is the point. Maximum children of any node are m. Now let's see the next property. That is minimum children of internal node. Internal node means the node with children. Internal node means parent node. So the minimum children of parent node are, so this is nothing but ceil. So ceil of m by 2. So let's take this example. Here m value is 5. So 5 by 2. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. What is the result? 2.5. So this is ceil. Ceil will always gives the higher integer value. So ceil means top portion, whereas floor means bottom portion. So ceil of 2.5 means we will get 3. So the minimum children of any internal node are 3. So next, the minimum keys of internal node are ceil of m by 2 minus 1. If we take the previous one, if the children are m, then the keys are m minus 1. So likewise here also, the children are ceil of m by 2. So the keys are ceil of m by 2 minus 1. So if we take this example, so m by 2 means we have 3. So 3 minus 1 means 2. 3 minus 1 means 2. So the minimum keys of internal node are 2. The minimum keys of internal node are 2. Whereas the children are 3. If we take this example. So here the keys are 2. Minimum keys are 2. Whereas here the minimum children are 3. Next, leaf node properties. We know what is a leaf node. Leaf node means the node with no children. The minimum children or children of leaf node are 0. Why? Because leaf node doesn't have any children. Next, the minimum keys of leaf node are similar to minimum keys of internal node. Ceil of m by 2 minus 1. So if the tree order is 5, then ceil of 5 by 2 means it will give 5 by 2 means it will give 2.5. So ceil of 2.5 means higher integer value. So that is 3. So 3 minus 1 means 2. So for the leaf node also, minimum we can store 2 keys. Minimum we can store 2 keys in the leaf node. Next, let us see about root node properties. The minimum keys of root node is 1. So in root node, minimum we can store 1 key. So maximum any number of keys. That depends upon the order of the B tree. So minimum we can store 1 key in the root node. The minimum children of root node are 2. So if we have 1 key, then we can have 2 children. So just like the first one, if the children are m, then the keys are m minus 1. Here the children are 2, so keys are 2 minus 1, that is 1. So this is about what is B tree and the properties of the B tree.